there's a legend of a warrior who rose up to defend his people and became a king. Now, Universal Pictures and the producers of The Scorpion King bring you the story of how it all began. In ancient times, there arose a fearless warrior,
the Order of the Black Scorpions,
who became the personal bodyguard of royalty. But when his father is murdered by the king, he must destroy the one man he was sworn to protect. From the director of Resident Evil Extinction and Highlander, and starring Randy Couture, comes a heroic tale of loyalty, betrayal, and revenge. The Scorpion King 2: Rise of a Warrior.